In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an image to fill text in Canva. This effect is perfect if you want your words to really stand out. For example, in thumbnails, social media posts, or posters. I'll walk you through it step by step, and you can follow along in your own Canva design. First, open the design where you want to add your image-filled text. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see Canva's main toolbar. Look for the tab labeled Uploads and click on it. This is where you can bring in your own photos from your computer, phone, or other devices. If you haven't uploaded your image yet, take a moment to do that now by clicking the Upload button and selecting your file. Once your image appears in the Uploads panel, go ahead and select the photo you want to use. Choosing a photo with interesting colors, textures, or patterns usually works best because those details will show through inside your text. Next, we're going to access a special tool inside Canva that lets us create this effect. Still on the left-hand toolbar, click on Apps. This section includes different add-ons and features that can enhance your designs. In the search bar within the Apps section, type in Font Frame. When you see the Font Frame app appear, click on it to open it. Font Frame is a Canva app that lets you place an image inside text shapes, creating that cutout look without needing any advanced design skills. With Font Frame open, you'll be prompted to choose the image you want to use. Since you already selected your photo from the Uploads panel, you should see it available within this app. Click on Use Selected Image. Canva will now take that image and prepare it to be used inside your text. After that, you'll see an option that says Add to Design. Click on Add to Design, and Canva will place the text with your image filled directly onto your current canvas. From here, you can resize the text by dragging the corners, move it around your design, or combine it with other elements like backgrounds, shapes, and regular text. If something doesn't look quite right, you can always undo and try a different image or adjust your layout. And that's all you need to do to use an image to fill text in Canva.